Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be breaking down how to analyze Moltbook AI's strange singularity level behavior, what that means, why it happens, and how researchers study it. So first of all, let's just clarify what people mean by singularity level behavior. So in the context of Moltbook AI, this doesn't mean the AI has become conscious or sentient. Instead, it refers to unusually complex, unexpected patterns in how the AI's output behave, especially when its responses start seeming far more advanced, unpredictable, or self-referential than expected. So to analyze this, the step one is to basically collect the systematic examples of the behavior. That means save and label the outputs where the AI appears to deviate from the normal patterns. So researchers look for things like usually creative reasoning, inconsistent fact patterns, self-referring or self-correcting statements, deeply abstract reasoning. The step two is to examine these examples for consistency. So if the AI produces strange output once, it might be random noise, but if similar patterns appear repeatedly under specific type of prompts or contexts, that suggests a structural reason behind the behavior. So next, they compare the strange responses with the normal outputs by analyzing the differences. You can identify the trigger patterns, the context depth, and the error patterns. In the next step, they use the quantitative matrix. So instead of relying on the intuition, researcher measures the response complexity, the semantic variance, the coherence scores across the outputs. So this helps distinguish between truly unusual behavior and the normal variability. Another important step is to basically test the control prompts. When Moltbook AI looks surprising, the prompts are the same question framed differently. So if the strange behavior persists across the multiple versions of the prompt, it's more like rooted in the model's internal pattern rather than the prompt quirk. So finally, the document and the share findings with other researchers for peer review, because deeper insights often come from the community analysis. So if this video helped you understand how to analyze Moltbook AI's unusual behavior, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.